Glueless. See, it's glueless. This. Wow.
How you looking calm, baby, in spite of the body stretching out your pinstripes. Got so much to tell you, come on inside. Hey. You was MIA from the invite. Tryna give me daps with my hands tied. All I wish for, if you could go my way. Yeah, been had me from the start. You've been on my radar for too long. Want you to stay, babe. You'd never say the word.
Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, I am fine. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. Gorgeous, you're in the right place. In here I review wigs. So guys, the wig I'll be revealing today is from Ashimary Hair. This wig is glueless with 5x5 and it is bomb.com. You don't need to do anything, you just wear this wig and you're good to go. Guys, it came in this cute box you're seeing right here. How gorgeous is this? Ashimary. Inside the box, when you open, we have the hair. The wig is here. And we have some goodies. A lot of goodies. Look at this. We have a hairband, wig cap. This is 2 pairs. Ooh, lashes, pair of lashes. We have edge brush. And wow, we have these how do they call it? I forgot the name they call this. That's this to shave your brows, okay, or to cut your wig. All right, those are the goodies that came with it. So when you place your order, all these goodies are going to come with your wig, not just me alone. So here is the wig. The wig is straight. It's 5x5 lace wig. You guys know I love 5x5, and this wig is glueless, okay? And the density is 250 density. You can see it's 250 here. It's written on it. 26 inches for the length. Okay, inside there is a comb. Look at it. Wow, they added this to it. And this is this. Ooh, this is so long. Really long. Really long. Look at this. How can I zoom it for you guys to see? Wow, this is long. Oh la la, this is long. Just look at this. And guys, the other thing I love about this wig, look at it. They pre-cut the lace. You see this save you the stress, because to cut lace is not easy. So they pre-cut the lace for you already. Look at it. Wow. It came center part, you see, and even they pluck the hairline. See the hairline. You see this, they pluck the hairline for you as well. So you don't need to do anything. All you need is just to pop your wig on and you're good to go. And you guys know we love that, because we don't like stress. We don't like stress when it comes to installing of wigs. See guys, let me brush it. See this. See, I've not straightened it. I've not done anything. Look at how straight this is. This is really gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Really gorgeous. Ooh, it's beautiful. And inside the wig there is inbuilt adjustable strap. You see, it's inbuilt. Look at it. You can remove it anyway. You can remove it. They just it's detachable. All right, it's detachable. It's not inbuilt, it's detachable. So you can remove this if you want. You see here, look at this place, you can remove it, okay? And you adjust it the way you want. You can adjust this. It depends on the size of your head. Adjust it to the size of your head. And there's another inbuilt. You see this inbuilt adjustable strap also on it. This is great. So this will hold the wig firmly to your scalp. Look at the inside. They bleach the knot, so you don't need to do that. Everything about this wig is done for you. That is why they say it's wear and go, okay? You just pop this on and you're good to go. When you are in a hurry, or you are a novice, you don't know anything about wig, you don't need to stress yourself. You don't even need to go to the salon, the hair salon. You do this yourself. You just wear this and Voila. Okay, you're good to go. I really like this. Look at the hairline. You see the hairline. You see the hairline. This is great. They did a great job in this wig. So guys, I'm going to wait for you guys to see. And by the way, there's no shedding from the hair. I'm dragging it. No shedding. Okay, I don't know if it's going to shed later, but presently there's no shedding from it. Okay, and it's tangle free. You see how my hand is going through, my fingers are going through it. It's tangle free. So I'm going to adjust this very tight. Guys, there's something I found at the back that I like. You guys know that most wig comes with a comb here, and that comb used to disturb so much. This one, they did not put any comb, so by the time you wear it like this, it will be very, very flat. You see, there is no comb here. I really like this method. In case if you want the comb, you can just sew it in yourself. This is the comb. Let me try to remove all this hair from inside. You see how this lap, see how it laps. Wow, you see that? Look at this. Glueless. Okay. Ooh, this is beautiful. I like this glueless wig. Oh wow, look at this, guys. The lace, they pre-cut the lace. That is just wow. And they bleach the knots. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, in case if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. Like I said, it's from Ashimary Hair, and there is a discount code. I'm going to leave it as well. I think the discount code is Chelsea. Let me check it to see, tell you guys. The discount code is CC25. So when you place your order, you use that discount code CC25, you're going to get some cash off your purchase, which is a good deal. Just look at this hair. I haven't straightened it. The hair is straight already. You see that? It's straight already. You don't need to do this, but if you want your hair very, very flat, you can do that. If not, you don't need to really do this. Okay, so don't forget, the discount code is CC25. It's going to be on the description, so check that out in case if you're interested, and the direct link will be on the description box as well. Direct link to this hair. The hair is so gorgeous. Okay, and it's from Ashimary Hair. I really love it. I like the texture. I like everything about the hair. You can coil it in case if you like wavy, you can just do it wavy and you're good to go. Okay, but I like straight hair, so I'm going to leave it straight like this because I love it straight. Wow, look at how silky. See this, guys.
Yeah. How you looking calm, baby, in spite of the body stretching out your pinstripes. Got so much to tell you, come on inside. Hey. You was MIA from the invite.
The hair is long. So guys, that is it for this hair from Ashimary Hair. So I'm going to leave all information about this wig on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. And don't forget to use that discount code. The discount code, when you use it, you're going to get some percentage off your purchase. Use that. Is a good deal. Okay, all right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. If you like it here, please go, just before you go, why not hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Ciao. Glueless. See, it's glueless.
Lava, yeah, me, lava, with me.